Namaste and welcome to this guided practice of meditation. In this session, we will emphasize the importance of acceptance. As humans, we tend to seek control in our interactions, habits, and experiences. But are we ever in control of our circumstances? We can perhaps work towards a goal or objective, but the outcome is never really in our control as there are many other factors involved. We are, however, responsible for our thoughts, emotions, habits, and well-being. Our need for control is usually from a place of resistance and fear of the unknown. Resistance is futile, and when we let go of the need to control, we start to surrender and flow with what life is offering. And the first step to surrender is acceptance. Acceptance means consciously allowing things to be as they are. It involves letting go of the desire to resist and make change. Acceptance-based awareness can help recognize feelings in the present moment and view experiences with more compassion and acceptance. So let's get started with today's practice. You may practice seated cross-legged on your yoga mat. Optionally, you may even sit with your back against the wall. If you're not comfortable sitting down cross-legged, feel free to sit on a chair with your feet resting on the floor. It's important that you feel comfortable and alert during the practice. As you settle, gently close the eyes, or you may even keep them partially open with a soft gaze downward. Place your hands on the knees. Roll your shoulders up and backwards, relaxing the arms, neck. Lift the chest up and lengthen the spine. Soften the abdomen. Notice your facial muscles. If they are tense, relax and soften them, keeping a gentle smile on your face. Take a slow, deep breath in and breathe out slowly and completely. Acknowledge the external sounds as part of practice. For the remainder of the practice, you will be aware of my voice and keep the body still. Now become aware of the body. Observe the entire body as a single entity. Become aware of the different physical sensations in the body. Sensations of heaviness, lightness, heat, cold, pain, or tingling. Any sensation that you experience in the different parts of the body. Recognizing the transient nature of these sensations. Observing how there is a change in the body internally with every moment. And accepting the body just the way it is. No judgment, no expectation. Embracing your body for its beauty and imperfection. And you'll notice that when you accept the body as it is, there is a sense of relaxation within the body. a sense of letting go, a sense of being at ease. Now bring the awareness to the tip of your nose. Feel the subtle movement of breath moving in and out at the nostrils. Being an observer of the natural breath as it is. The breath may be shallow or deep. The breath may be fast or slow, irregular or smooth. Simply watch the rhythm of your natural and spontaneous breath. Accepting the breath as it is in this moment. And you'll notice that as you watch the breath and accept it, the breath starts to slow down naturally. No sense of control, just witnessing. Now become aware of your thoughts. Be a witness to your thoughts, and as the thoughts come up, notice them without getting involved, without suppressing or being attached, without judging or denying, without labeling them as pleasant or unpleasant. Just accept and witness all thoughts as they are in this moment. A thought arises, surfaces in your awareness, and eventually disappears, only to be followed by another thought. Just observe this impermanent nature of thoughts with complete acceptance. Now embrace this feeling of acceptance towards yourself, acknowledging your strengths, limitations, ambitions, needs, accepting yourself just the way you are. Accepting the people in your life, family, friends, colleagues, embracing them just as they are. And accepting your present situation as it is, knowing that things are happening as they are meant to. Everything is fine just the way it is. And repeat to yourself mentally, I accept myself and the world as it is. I accept myself and the world as it is. reminding yourself that acceptance is the key to inner peace. Gradually, bring the awareness back to the breath. Become aware of the body again. Feel the sense of touch, the contact between the body and seat, palms resting on the knees. Observe the body as a single entity. And notice how you feel after today's practice, physically and mentally. If anything is different from the beginning of this session, do acknowledge it. Preparing to release the posture, making gradual movements. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently move the neck sideways. Bring your hands in front of chest, with palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Rub your palms till you feel them getting warm. Cup them over the eyes. Enjoy this feeling of warmth. And then release your hands and open the eyes with a gentle smile. Welcome back. Acceptance is the foundation of surrender, humility, gratitude, and compassion, which are all integral for our inner peace. When we start to accept ourselves, people, and situations as they are, we start to flow rather than fight. In your own meditation practice, you'll notice that every session is different in itself, reminding us of the ever-changing nature of our internal and external experiences. However, acceptance does not mean to be complacent, but rather it means to be content and at ease with ourselves and the world. Take care, and I will see you soon. May we all be healthy and peaceful. Hari Om Tat Sat.